Welcome back, explorers, and happy holidays to all of you. Thank you so much for tuning in on another awesome adventure. Tonight, we are exploring Dyker Heights. Now, a lot of you looking at this may recognize that this is the Dyker Heights neighborhood in Brooklyn, but for those of you who are not aware, this is one of the highlights of New York this time of year, and I highly, highly recommend checking this place out if you're visiting the city during Christmas. Now, as I mentioned before, this is a neighborhood located in Brooklyn, and there are a few different ways to get here. Of course, you can drive and park along the street. Do be aware of the places that are marked for you to park your cars. You don't want to be out here enjoying the Christmas lights and then have your car towed. Aside from driving, you can take a train as well. Aside from taking the train, there are tours that are available, which is the option that we went with since we did not have transportation. We booked this tour via the My Christmas in New York Instagram page. All I did was send a message inquiring about the tour, and I was even offered a 15% discount, which is actually listed on the Instagram page if you look at the stories, which are really awesome, by the way. I suggest you check them out, even if you're not interested in the tour at all. So some of you may be wondering what's so special about this neighborhood. Why go here when there are so many other places in New York to see at this time? Well, basically, it just has a little sweet story behind it. The tradition basically started in the 80s by a lady of the name of Lucy Sparta. I do apologize if I pronounced that incorrectly, but it's Spata. She started their tradition when she moved into the neighborhood in the 1980s. She decorates her house to carry on the tradition her mother started. And it's really sweet. She even has an angel display to honor her mother's memory. She passed away, I believe, in 1986. And this has become a really popular place, a really popular neighborhood this time of year. Over 100,000 people have come here every year to see the light displays. It's honestly magical. There are also stands for hot chocolate, popcorn. I believe I even saw an ice cream stand as well. It was really cold out, but hey, if you're in the mood for ice cream, it is available. And with that being said, guys, anytime you're in the neighborhood, you want to respect the neighborhood as if you live there as well. So you want to be sure that you throw all of your trash away, keep the streets clean, and there are extra trash cans and things around the neighborhood during this time because they get so much traffic. Just keep that in mind. I really thought this house right here was really beautiful. He really went all out. And I love the green. He had some candy canes and chocolates and bracelets and little things that you could take for free just for stopping by. There is a sign posted next to the wall there in regards to his son, Michael. Keep him in your thoughts and prayers. He is dealing with some health issues. We left a little donation there for the family and definitely keeping them in our thoughts. It was a beautiful house for sure. Okay, guys, I believe this may be one of my favorite houses throughout the tour. It is so cute and awesome. I love it. I think my favorite is the skeleton. He is pretty freaking cool. You all have got to check this one out. It's awesome. And I love the fake snow that's falling. Do you all see that? It's so cool. So as you all can see, there are a lot of people that come out to this Dyker Heights neighborhood to see the lights this time of year. Like I mentioned before, we did this with a big group with a tour. The guy holding the green umbrella, I don't know if you caught it or not, but he is actually one of our tour guides, and that green umbrella actually lights up. We thought that was great. It kind of helps us to always locate him, and it helps us to stay together with the group. You have to remember at this time there are other people visiting the area, other tours going on, and it's very easy to get caught up into another tour group with another tour guide. Oh, there's his umbrella lighting up. As long as you keep an eye on that green umbrella, you will always be with the tour. So no worries. So this house right here, guys, is another one of my favorites. I am such a sucker for those white Christmas lights, especially the warm white lights. We actually had this discussion on one of my Facebook pages, and a lot of people agree the warm white lights is what they prefer. But there were also a lot of people who like the multicolored lights, especially on their trees, and that's what they used to decorate with. So either way is perfect. Whatever gets you in the Christmas spirit, right? If you'd like, drop a comment below and let us know which you prefer. The traditional white lights, or are you more into the multicolored? Let us know. All right, explorers, we are at the end of the Dyker Heights tour. But of course, no tour would be complete without viewing the Sparta home. You are viewing that now. Isn't it amazing? We thought so too. Thank you so much for going on this adventure with us. We greatly appreciate it and we really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment in regards to the type of Christmas lights you enjoy. Stay safe out there, guys. Happy holidays and Happy New Year.